On April 11, 2025, Mountain Home, Arkansas police responded to a 911 call reporting a suspicious individual knocking on doors at a trailer park. What began as an attempt to make simple contact quickly escalated when the individual made a surprising decision that changed the entire encounter. This is how it went down.
Suspect is in custody.
Hey, Cole, come here. Yeah, 1040. Running into the trailer park. Get on the ground! Get on the ground! Get on the fucking ground!
For what, man?
Roll over! Roll over!
For what?
Roll over!
Brother, come on.
I've got him over here in the
What
woods
did I
next to
do?
Christian Academy. Roll over.
What did I do?
I said stop. Come here, and you took off running.
No, I didn't have...
Roll
I
over.
didn't do anything. What was your reasonable,
Roll over.
articulable suspicion?
Roll over, dude. You want to get tased?
Sir, all I got is this.
Roll over.
What was the reasonable, articulable suspicion?
We got a call on you.
For doing what?
Going around knocking on people's doors.
I didn't knock on one door.
We'll figure that out.
I knocked...
Look at me.
What the heck did I do wrong, sir? You can't just stop anyone.
If we get a call on you, we can. You want to try and walk them out here? Or?
Come on out, bud.
Please, please. I cannot go to jail right now. I'm doing...
Come
I
out
just
here.
got a job working.
Come out here.
Sir,
Just give him there, buddy.
you have no reason.
Oh, yeah, so you can go around that side.
I have nothing on me.
Hey, do not start reaching.
Just not listening to verbal man, but I think we're good.
I was picking up trash.
What's your name?
Cole. I can see if I have warrants, and if I don't, please let me go.
Come on, bud.
Just check. No, no, ma'am.
Look,
Please.
you're cut up. Come on.
No, I'm not. I didn't cut it all.
Come on.
I'm
Come on.
good.
Hey,
Stand up.
cut your crap. You're going to get tased, Cole.
Stand up. Please, I'm...
Do what she says and stand up.
Sir,
Stand up.
All right.
Walk up here.
Thanks.
okay.
Come on.
Come on up here. Well, watch the stickers.
What was the reasonable, articulable suspicion I was just...
Just stand easy. Just stand easy. You took off running on an officer.
No, I did not.
Yes, you
Yes,
did.
you did. He saw you, brother.
No, I did not
Yeah.
take off on an officer.
He did. You took off on this
I was
guy.
exploring the
Cole, turn around. Put your hands
tree
on your
line.
back.
How
Put
can
your
you
hands
stop
behind
me?
your back. Put your
Stop.
hands behind your back.
Hold
Don't
on.
fight. Don't fight.
I'm not
Please,
fighting,
please don't
officer.
fight.
Come on. There's no reasonable, articulable suspicion.
Just calm down and we'll figure it out.
You can't put me in cuffs right now.
Yeah,
We
can
can't
detain
detain
you.
you
Yes,
because
we
we
can
just
detain
ran through
you.
the bush.
That's absolutely legal.
I need a sergeant here right now.
We have a corporal here, sir.
I'm requesting.
Just
I'm
relax.
requesting your
Relax.
superiors.
We're not abusing you. We're not mistreating you. You know, you took off running, so we're gonna have to find out what's going on. That's all, okay? So just chill out.
Do I have a warrant or no?
I don't know. I don't know who you are, sir. So just calm down.
Cole, we'll check here in a second, okay? You want to go have a seat in the back of this car, man? Just chill out.
Can I please get some air for a second? Or just stand? All right. Cool.
Let's go sit on this bumper. That way you can sit down. Okay?
All right.
Go to the front bumper of that car. And check your pockets, okay?
Yep.
All right, Cole. Have a seat on that bumper, okay?
Oh, are there any pills in here?
No, I grabbed that, picking it up. I was gonna throw it in the dumpster right there just to
Okay.
get so kids didn't pick it up or see it. Honestly.
All right, man. Turn and just sit on that bumper, okay?
All right.
All you gotta do is stop. I would just talk to you. That's it.
Well, I wanted to talk to you.
Well, unfortunately, you have to.
I know.
And when you run, it just makes it worse.
Well,
Cole, what's your date of birth?
man,
I thought you were doing good.
I am doing good.
Well, running from the police ain't good.
Come on. You don't have to stop me every
bro.
fucking
If we
time.
get a call, I
Passes,
have to
bro.
stop you, dude.
I have the.
If I get a
just
911
because
call,
someone calls,
to check on you. So I got to stop, check on you.
for what?
Because somebody called. That's what that means. I have to stop, identify you, make sure you're all right. If you weren't up to anything shady, I would have ran you and kicked you loose as long as you didn't have warrants. You know what I mean? That's been the end of it.
That's what. Well, I mean, you should know it's all good.
I don't know that till I talk to you.
God dang. I didn't want it.
Hey,
I
listen, Cole.
What?
You want medical to come look at you, Cole?
No, I'm good. You should see some of the scars I got.
What's wrong with your foot?
No, this ain't nothing. I'm good.
Cole, where are you living at now?
Right now with a buddy.
You just walking around here, or what's the deal?
Going out for a walk for a minute.
Okay. So, 911 call came in that you're going around, knocked on a lady's door asking if there's somebody here that she didn't know about, and you went to the next house.
I don't know if that was,
But that worries her, so she called 911. We show up, come check it out, see what's going on.
Sure.
It's easy as that.
I seen that walking. I swear on everything. Literally, that was on the ground and I picked it up. Because I seen the dumpster ahead of it. I seen the dumpster ahead of that and I was like, I want to pick it up and throw it away so kids don't see it.
2050. Did you copy my Cole Brown?
I just took it in my pocket.
You're good, man. Hang tight right here. I'm going to go get my car.
But that's what I was going for a walk. I was literally walking by these bricklayers over there this morning.
Okay.
And I got a job. I start Monday. But yeah, for real. I stopped and talked to them. And they said, because I've been working, but I've been suspended. So I just got that gig.
If you could do that.
I start Monday over there.
Gig's a gig. I mean, you're working.
Yeah.
Oh, what's your date of birth?
8/9/99. I'm good to go, right?
You guys should have a protection order on file.
Can you take these cuffs off me?
I can't right now. He's got you detained, so just relax until...
Just relax, Cole. Relax. They said you were looking for somebody.
No, I already talked to her. I was leaving. How was I looking for somebody?
That's the call we got.
Well, what they told us.
Hey, can we go over there and talk to her?
No, we wouldn't do that.
I'll request a sergeant and everything because I need to go talk to the person I just left.
Hey, once
She
we get
will
this
vouch
figured
for
out,
me.
just let us get this figured out.
Just wait a minute.
Why'd you take off running, Cole?
Why did I take off running?
Yeah.
Because I don't have to talk to you if there's no reasonable, articulable suspicion of a crime being committed.
No, I know that's what they say on YouTube, but if you take off for running...
That gives us reasonable suspicion.
That's right. Do you understand that? I mean, you're saying one thing, but then when your actions do something else, you know. Because we don't know what you've done. You could have just committed a crime. We don't know.
No.
You know.
Why
So,
would I be committing a crime?
well, I don't know. Most people who are innocent don't take off running from the cops.
I'm walking because I don't have a license. So how am I? What the? Come on.
You know it's a bad look when the officer pulls up and you just take off.
Hey, Cole. Paul.
So just stay
Cole,
over here.
Stay on the
over
hook.
here until he
You're
gets
just gonna
done.
get yourself.
doing
No
what he's
problem.
doing.
I'm good if you just let me go.
Well, as soon as we figure it out, I'm
As soon
happy
as we
to,
get
Cole.
figured out, we'll...
Can I see at least take the cuffs off? That way I can relax.
No, he's...
As soon as Officer Petty gets back over here, we'll figure it out. We'll get you on your way. One way or another.
I was trying to text my buddy. I need lyrics printed off.
Need what?
My lyrics for my favorite song.
You ain't got no warrant. You taste
I shot at him. I don't know if it had any effect.
medical, look him over, make sure he didn't get him with a probe, and considering he's cut up and bleeding.
4150. You're going to roll Baxter Health here just to check out this individual. He's cut up pretty bad.
Let's go ahead and just sit. We're gonna take him, put him in the back of your car because he's pacing, and the longer he sits out here, I feel like he's just gonna.
Escalate.
Yeah.
Hey, Cole.
Yeah.
Let's go have a seat in the back of my car. I'm going to have ambulance come check you out.
I'm
because
good.
you're all cut up.
I didn't request no ambulance.
I know, but we want to come check you out that way. You can't say we didn't offer it to you, okay?
I'm good.
Okay. All right. Well, let's go sit in my car and we'll talk about some more, okay?
All right.
Go to that back car. Oh, yeah, sit in the back. Let's have a seat, Carl. I'll get you some air going.
He's high.
His pupils are. Oh, that vape's still in his pocket. It's, you know, I don't know if it's marijuana or nicotine. No, I'm worried about him smoking in your car. 'Cause I've had people do that. They maneuver their way around. I had somebody straight up smoke cigarettes in the back of my car. It smelled awful for a week. When are the protection orders against?
His
You know?
girlfriend. Remember, we arrested him for domestic forever ago.
There's another unit right there.
Cole, you good, bro?
Yeah, hey, am I good to go?
No, just hang tight. I'm just letting you chill out and cool off,
Can we
okay?
keep the door open for a minute so I can get fresh air first?
I'll roll the window down for you.
Yeah.
Hey, Jason, can you take me to my car?
You want some more air?
Yeah, he's hiring.
Oh, there's a lady flagged them down. There's a couple people flagged them down. Huh.
Bonnie, TPD. I'll be out speaking to some parties in regards to this.
Yeah, dude, I don't think there's another neighbor coming out. I don't think he was up to any good, this guy. Plus he's high.
41 PD, Baxter Health, 97.
Sam, what are you doing?
Oh, we're
Chasing people around?
yeah.
Yeah,
I know he didn't run.
so
Yeah.
he's high on something, but he ran through the brush all cut up.
He's
falling
got
down
his
the creek.
legs.
Oh, you got
He said, I don't need no ambulance, but we,
Before we
had
take
to
him to
call.
jail.
Just
Yeah,
make sure
okay.
he's okay to.
All right. Where's he at?
He's right over here, Randy.
I don't know why he took off running other than he was higher than Spike.
Higher than a kite.
Yeah.
So-
As far as I know, he doesn't have any current warrant. I mean, he could. He's on probation. But, okay, so you're pretty young, so you may not. But my daughter used to be into that scene and everything. They're clean. They go to church. She's in drug court, doing great, about to graduate. Cole went to church with them. It's clean. They were talking to his ex-wife, helping him get to see his boys. And all of a sudden,
Just fell off.
yep,
Huh?
yep.
All right, Cole, they're going to just check
Hey,
in.
Cole. How you doing, buddy? Good? Got all scratched up, didn't you? Yeah. How about your belly and stuff?
No, I'm good. I don't need to
No?
be checked out. I didn't ask to be checked out.
Oh, so you don't want me?
No, I'm good.
Okay.
Thank you.
All right.
Okie doke.
Hang on,
Oh.
Cole.
Thank you.
Just watch your
Am
foot.
I good to go? Or
You're good. We go with these guys.
I don't need to go anywhere, right?
Just hang on. Watch your foot.
Sorry, guys.
Hey, that's all
We
right.
got to do it.
Yeah, it's good.
Just walks up on my porch and knocks on my door.
Yeah, I don't know.
Knocks on my door and he's like, "Can I get a drink?" I said, "Okay." Shut the door and went to get him a can of soda. I'm like, I'm not giving him a glass. I'm not waiting for him. He just needs to go. And he's trying to walk in my house. I'm like, "Cole, you cannot come in my house." So I gave him soda and shut the door on him. Open the door. He's sitting on my steps. I'm like, okay, he's high. He's random. He's whatever, you know.
Yeah.
I'm like, "Cole, you need to get your drink." And he's carrying some clothes. I said, "You need to take clothes." Starts telling me about he got a job over here on 16th Street. And he's talking about taking his truck, my neighbor's truck. And we'll go get my friend and we can all go fishing. I was like, "You're not going to touch his truck.
Yeah.
You're going to finish your drink. You need to go away." I was like, why did he run? That's stupid. Other than he's higher than a kite.
You hit it right on the head. Would you guys mind filling out statements for me? Just basically.
All right, gentlemen.
All right.
We're going to go down to jail, okay?
From what?
For running.
Can you loosen these cups so I can blow my nose real
I
quick?
can't do it, unfortunately. Just hang tight. Chill out. Forty-one PDW, 15 male, 19 to the jail.
Camp 141.
41 P will be out the jail.
My date of birth and social and all that, did you?
Just your date of birth. I appreciate it.
Thank you.
Have a better day, guys.
You too.
That's somebody coming to scan him.
Howdy. He's there on the passenger side. I think he has a vape in his pocket.
Hey, you're going stuff out for me?
He went through some thorns, so he's a little cut up.
Oh.
Yeah, she's a skater.
Cole Brown was arrested and charged with obstructing governmental operations, fleeing on foot, disorderly conduct, public intoxication, misdemeanor criminal trespass, and a probation violation. His bond was set at $1,395. If you enjoyed this video and would like more content, give us a like, feel free to comment, and subscribe for justice.